Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kamukam College Shillong kakot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dep khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
ការគណហ៊ុនមន្ត្រីចង្កសរកजिलाកសោតរិឧចំងអរចាផ្សំកលមិនជរកជាងតរវ៉ាបន្ធាតចកាឈូសានរីវអការណាកខាត់វៃអការខ្នងបានយកពិនហេយកសរកពិនហេលីងសុញShillong Airport ហកជាក្រានមីក្លាបថៃគូបរហាឌីនបលវាយកជាងឡងឧកានរត់គីសាំងម៉ាឧលពិនតិបបាណាកចកាកបាខាត់វៃប៉ុញញុកផ្សានអការកបដិនកំបានពិនហេកសរកពិនហេលីងសុញកំបាសោប៉ុញឡាយអការកដេកបហាបហកចកាចងកតណាត់យាដារីបាត់កំបានរីវអការតំកចកាកដេកបដងដនកំបានធាតនគិត្រាចកា
The proposal for direct purchase of land required for the expansion of the Shillong Airport. As you are aware that the expansion work for the Shillong airport runway is being taken up, and we need an additional amount or additional area of 11.75 acres from the runway point of view, and this is towards the western side of the runway, and the 11.75 acres which is available there, which is required there. Out of that, about 4.3 is defense land, and the rest of the 6.6 plus acres which is required needs to be purchased from the local people. Therefore, a committee was set up headed by the Deputy Commissioner, which held negotiations with the local people to finalize the rates and the different compensations that have to be paid. And after detailed discussion and negotiation, a total amount of 72.17 crores has been arrived at for the compensation to be paid for the land, trees, crop and building to be acquired in that area for the expansion of the runway, and this was approved today by the cabinet.